Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will compare Tesla Model Y versus Volvo XC90. We'll dive into their fundamental differences, starting with their distinct powertrains and price points. The Model Y is a fully electric option, while the XC90 offers versatile mild hybrid and plug-in hybrid choices. We'll also examine their seating capacities and initial costs to help you determine which SUV best aligns with your lifestyle and budget. When it comes to getting up to speed, the Tesla Model Y performance variant is incredibly quick, hitting 60 miles per hour in just 3 seconds. The Volvo XC90, especially its plug-in hybrid, also offers strong acceleration, reaching 60 miles per hour in 5 seconds. For efficiency, the Model Y boasts an impressive electric range of up to 357 miles, while the XC90 plug-in hybrid offers 32 miles of electric-only driving and a combined 58 mpge. Inside, both SUVs offer modern cabins. The Tesla Model Y features a minimalist design centered around a large 15.4-inch touchscreen. The Volvo XC90 counters with an 11.2-inch touchscreen and a more luxurious feel, using fine materials like open-pore wood. For practicality, the Model Y provides 76 cubic feet of maximum cargo space, including a convenient front trunk. The XC90 offers even more, with up to 85.7 cubic feet of total cargo capacity. Safety is a top priority for both vehicles, with each earning 5-star ratings from the NHTSA. The Model Y comes equipped with standard automated emergency braking and lane-keeping assist, along with a new cabin radar system. The XC90 also offers a comprehensive suite of safety features, including automated emergency braking with pedestrian detection and its advanced pilot assist system. For more great deals, including leak-proof meal prep containers, check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.